Hello everyone, I am Hima Satish Sharma and student we are discussing the chapter chemical effects of electric current. We have already discussed a few topics in lecture 1 of the same chapter. Today in lecture 2 we are going to discuss conductivity in liquids. So we know that few liquids are conducting, that means they allow the charge to pass through them, and few liquids are non-conducting, therefore that means they don't allow charge to pass through them. Example of conducting liquid are tap water and sea water, and the water with salt water. And the example of liquid which do not conduct electricity are sugar solution and oil. So we already discussed how we can test the conductivity in the liquids. So we can use a tester to check if a liquid is conducting or not. So to check if the liquid is conducting or not conducting, what we will do, we will connect the two ends of the tester to the liquid, and hence the connection or the circuit will be complete, and the bulb of the tester will glow if the liquid is conducting, and the bulb of the tester will not glow if the liquid is not conducting. Okay, so here you can see this is the bulb of the tester, and now what we have done, the tester which is provided with a battery is connected. One terminal, negative terminal, is connected to one. Now here is the one end is connected to the liquid and another end is also connected to the liquid. So if the bulb glows, the liquid is conducting. If the bulb does not glow, the liquid is not conducting. So most of the liquid that conduct electricity are generally solution of acid, bases and salts. So now we'll be discussing about tester. So tester is a device which can be used to test if a particular material allows electric current to pass through it or not. That means if the circuit completes, tester will glow, and if circuit does not complete, tester will not glow. This is how a tester looks like. So here you can see these are the two parts of tester. This is plastic, rubber or wooden part of the tester. This is the metallic part of the tester, and we know that metals are good conductor of electricity. So here you see this is the cell or the battery. One terminal is connected with the bulb, and other is connected with the good conductor or the conductor. So here the bulb glows. Here when you are connected to the non-conductor or poor conductor, bulb does not glow. This way the tester can show whether the material is conducting or not. Next we will be discussing about LED, light emitting diodes. So till now we have discussed that tester has one bulb in it which glows if the electric current is passing through. So now the bulb, if we take a normal or ordinary bulb, normal or ordinary bulb glows only if there is good electric current is passing through or high voltage is there. But what if there is a weak current? So weak current, there will be a current, that means weak current is there, but the bulb will not glow. So what we do, we use LED. So these LEDs require weak currents because their filament does not require much temperature to glow. So LEDs can detect even weaker currents which a normal bulb cannot do. So LED also have two terminals. One is called anode and other is called cathode. So here you can see this is the picture of a LED. This is the bulb, and now this has two terminals. One is anode and other is cathode. So which one is anode? So length of anode lead is slightly longer. So the longer one is anode and the shorter one is cathode. So anode is always connected to the positive terminal and cathode is always connected to the negative terminal. So now we know that light emitting diode has two terminals. Longer one is anode connected to positive, shorter one is cathode connected to negative. Now why LED bulbs are most suitable for testing the electrical conductivity of liquid? As we discussed that LED require weaker current for the filament of the bulb to glow. Since liquids are capable of conducting electricity, but they are weak conductors of electricity as compared to metals. So to check whether the current is passing through or not, we can test it through LEDs, because the weaker current can glow the filament of the LED. And therefore, LED bulbs can detect the flow of even a small amount of electric current. Okay. So now we'll be discussing about electrodes and electrolyte in our next chapter. Thank you.